The school may request the reopening of the Create Education Service Contracting Billing Statement facility beyond the deadline for the creation of a billing statement. In the Reopening or Extension of Billing tab, click Send Request. When a dialog box appears, select the school year. And attach a letter of request signed by the school director or principal. Click Send Request, or click Cancel to close the dialog box. For updates, check the status of Service Requests page regularly.